Perfect, perfect, perfect. We're gonna go for a very easy session here. We're working 1 minute, then we've got 15 seconds in between that we're switching. So this is purely some functional warm-up before I do my boxing session today. This is something that you can do easily at home. You don't need equipment. You don't need a gym. All you need is a space and the little weights that I've got here. I've got a skipping rope. I've got 2 kilo dumbbells. I've got a plate and I have a kettlebell. And that's all we gotta do. And of course a timer. So let me put the timer on and let's go. Let's go. It's a nice and easy routine. And we do it. So I'll start with the easy skipping. 1 minute and 15 seconds in between. It's just nice and easy, you know. It's good for your hand-eye coordination. Teaches you how to move, how to balance yourself on the balls of your feet. Yes, need to. This keeps on tripping me. Tripping me, yes. Breaking my rhythm. Okay. Gonna do some shadow boxing. Just a jab. Gotta extend that arm. Reaching out with my 2 knuckles. Protecting my face. It's all about movement. Cover yourself. Protect yourself at all times. Okay. Getting onto this plate. So toe taps. Pushing my heart rate up. All right. Going to double arm swings. Keeping that heart rate up. Okay. Snap your hips. Lock your knees. It's a hinge. So it's a hinge movement. My arms are relaxed. My knees are soft going back and locking them right through at the top. I'm snapping my hips. So I'm pushing my bum right through my hips. And I'm standing tall. I'm not leaning backwards. I'm forcing my core and my posterior chain to work here. It's nice and easy. You exhale on exertion. Yeah. Now, getting the dumbbells, and I'll do some straight punches. Going back into 1, 2. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Getting that kicker going. Having a good time, baby. All right. That's 10 minutes. It's nice and warm. Now I can do some boxing. My heart rate is up. I'm feeling good. The joints are warm. Something you can do anytime, anywhere. No excuses, baby. No excuse.